Craving something warm, rich, and chocolatey, but don't feel like baking a whole cake? This chocolate mug cake is soft, fluffy, and ready in just about a minute. Perfect for when that chocolate craving hits and you need dessert fast. The best part? You don't need fancy tools or baking experience, just a mug, a spoon, and your microwave. It's like instant chocolate cake happiness made right in your favorite cup. Quick question before we start. Where are you watching this from today? Let me know in the comments. Now let's make the cake. In a microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This forms the base and gives the cake its soft structure. Next, add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder for that deep chocolate flavor. Stir in 3 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder so the cake rises nicely, and a small pinch of salt to balance the chocolate flavor. Give everything a quick whisk or mix with a fork so the cocoa and baking powder are evenly distributed. Now pour in 4 tablespoons of milk. This keeps the cake moist and tender. Add 2 tablespoons of neutral oil like vegetable or canola oil for richness, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the chocolate flavor. Stir everything together slowly at first, then mix until the batter becomes smooth and glossy. Make sure to scrape the bottom and sides of the mug so no dry flour remains. Once your batter looks smooth and slightly thick but pourable, it's ready to cook. Place the mug in the center of your microwave and cook for about 60 seconds in a 1000-watt microwave. If your microwave is slightly lower power, cook for around 70 to 75 seconds. Watch as the batter rises and turns into a soft, fluffy chocolate cake. The top should look set but still slightly glossy. Let the cake rest for about a minute. This helps the steam settle and gives the cake a softer texture. While the cake cools slightly, let's make a quick chocolate ganache topping. In a small microwave-safe bowl, add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips and 1 tablespoon of heavy cream or milk. Microwave for about 20 to 25 seconds, then stir until smooth, shiny, and creamy. If it feels too thick, add just half a teaspoon of warm milk and stir again. Now drizzle that warm chocolate ganache right over your mug cake. Here's a fun question for you. Would you eat this chocolate mug cake plain or top it with ice cream? Tell me in the comments. While the ganache is still warm and glossy, lightly dust a little cocoa powder over the top for an extra boost of rich chocolate flavor. Then finish it off with a few chocolate sprinkles for that fun bakery-style touch. And there you go, a warm, rich chocolate mug cake that's soft, quick, and incredibly satisfying. The perfect single-serve dessert whenever your chocolate cravings strike. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer chocolate sprinkles or rainbow sprinkles on your desserts?